Here's 3 tips from 3 screen printers to optimize your screen making process. Tip number 1, Lee Stuart. When we're putting on our films, a lot of us just take this tape and just put it on straight onto the film. Well, what happens, you take this off and guess what? That rips like that. It's a pain in the butt to get off your films. I don't even know if it's ever coming off this film. Whoop. And it's a pain in the butt to get off your screen. Simple solution. Instead of putting on your tape straight, what Lee taught me is just put that tape on a slight angle. When you take it off, it just peels off so simply like that. Super easy tip. Tip 2, from Jeff Maguire at Evergood merch on the shirt show. When you're coating your screen, you always have these edges. They're never fun to reclaim because they get exposed, they get hardened, they get on press, tapes over them. But a simple way to fix that is create a template on your screen making exposure unit. The template is gonna have some light safe tape on the edge that fits the inside of your screen. And this does 2 things. It gives you a target on where to place your screen and allows you to know exactly where your glass is clean. But more importantly, when you put your screen on, what you're doing is knowing exactly where to put your image, and you're making sure that all those nasty edges are unexposed. Now watch happens once we develop it. Left with a perfectly exposed screen, nice crisp edges, no gunk on the sides. It's gonna be way easier to reclaim. Okay, our last tip comes to us from Dallas at Opake Screen Printing. I don't know how many times I've been taking water base or discharge, especially white, off of a screen, and it blasts into my nice black shirt. No longer, all you need is a crappy old 110 mesh or 86 mesh screen. Put it over there like this. Blast that screen clean and stay clean yourself. If you found these 3 tips helpful, drop a link in the comments below or tag another screen printer that you know. Also, if you have any of your own tips, hit us up. We'd love to learn and share with you. Thanks for watching and powering your print with Ryonet.